Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. So I came up with again a new question related to SQL. So we can say this is an medium question. So going forward with the question, so given a table of user sessions, write a query to get the number of days between each user's first session and the last session for the year 2020. Okay, so we are given a table called user sessions. There we are having three columns. One is session ID, created at, user ID. So what are they expecting? They're expecting a table output with columns, user ID, and number of days. So on the user ID level, they're expecting user ID 1, 2, 3, and number of days uh, they have been spent with us. So how can we do this? We can do by getting the difference between the maximum of the created and minimum of the created on user ID level. Then it would be correct, right? So, and do this by group by user ID. Why? Because for each and every user, we might get two or three records. In some cases, we might get, for some user IDs, we might get two or three records. So we don't want to mess up our output table. So we are trying to make it as group by user ID. Okay, let me jump in the query and write a query for you. So this is just gist of the question. So this is don't bother about this. This is a query I'm writing here from. So select user ID, comma, as number of days from user session US. So we need to define this second column, right? So date, time, we want to do on day level. So let me close this and write this like max of comma min of. I'm writing the pseudocode and I'll make changes. Create ret. Select user ID, comma dated, not date diff, sorry, date time I've said, but I've written date diff is also. So this finds the difference between the two dates. Once we can check our query here. Yeah, and they're expecting from the year 2020 only. Further, we need to write where year of created. Yep, great. We have done with the query. Thank you so much for watching my video and happy learning. See you in the next video.